Hi, this is a quick video to talk about how you can improve your pizza bakes using a conventional oven like the one I've got behind me here at home. We get a lot of questions asked to us about where did you cook that pizza? It must have been a professional pizza oven when we have submitted our adverts out, or the images you see on Instagram, etc. Nope, they're all pretty much cooked in that oven behind. If they're not cooked in that, they're cooked in our pizza oven outside. So how do we get that? How do we do it? A couple of little tricks really. Pizza stones. We get people asking about pizza stones all the time. Personally, I don't recommend them. I don't think they retain their heat very well. I think they take an awful long time to actually get up to heat, which is wasting energy, and we've seen the cost of living, the cost of electricity and gas go through the roof recently, so try and conserve that where you can. And you've probably got at least one of these tools already inside your oven at home. So it is the good old baking sheet. So you put your roasting tin, obviously roasting tin. You've got your roasting tin, you'd have it normally this way around in the oven. For your pizza, you just flip it over. And there you go, you've got a really nice flat 30 centimetres by 40 centimetres surface to create and put your pizza on top. Use parchment paper when you're laying out your pizza base. I recommend parchment paper because it just means that you can move it around a lot easier. It won't stick either to the surface of the steel or the roasting tin, and it just moves around. Don't use baking paper. Common mistake, people will use baking paper, the dough will stick to the baking paper and it'll be a nightmare to get it off. So parchment paper, definitely recommend that. You turn this over, you whack your oven up to its highest possible settings with this inside from the start. Let it get to heat, give it another 5 to 10 minutes to allow the roasting tin to actually get some temperature built into it as well, and then go for your cook. That's all you need to do. Dead simple hack on how to create a perfect pizza at home without using a pizza stone or a pizza steel. There is another video on the pizza steels that we're going to cover as well, and I'd recommend watching those. If you've got a spare 40 to 50 pounds for the cost of those, it's worth investing in one, but you don't need to have an expensive pizza oven or a pizza steel or a pizza stone to make great pizzas at home. Thanks for watching.